Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, September the 18th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. But we will start first with the Sudoku Light. In this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus, but first the Sudoku Light. The regular Sudokus I will solve them first, and this one will be 1, 5, 5, 6. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, digits, and I see here each square, big square, has 4 printed numbers, digits. So 4 times a 9 here, or 9 times a 4 will be 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between, the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. How about the number 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. How about the number? The number 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these two boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. How about the number? The number. Yeah. Which numbers can I use? Which number can I use? How about the number 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in
this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 second column, no, in the third column. The only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box for the number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. And 1 box left for this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7. And we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 2. 2 goes here, and a 1 goes here. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, and 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish. Yes, in 9 minutes. Wow. All right. I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a heavy Sudoku. How heavy it will be, I do not know. We will see. So see you later. Bye bye for now.